guys, my name is Angelica Lopez. I am a tax and bookkeeping coach, and I wanted to just reach out and explain a little bit about how it's so important to have a strategic plan in place. If you are a small business owner or you just started your business, I am going to go ahead and share 8 things that you should know once you start your business that are really important for you to focus on and succeed in your business. Now, number one is making sure that you have a DBA for your business if you're going to name it something besides your name, right? Number two, you'll need your EIN number from the IRS, okay? Number three is here in Arizona, where I am from, we have what's called a TPT license, which is a transactional privilege license from the state of Arizona when you are paying your taxes, your state taxes. Okay. Now, number four would be a resale certificate, and that basically what that does is it gives you the opportunity that when you are purchasing items for your business, especially if you are a service-based business, we don't charge taxes for our services, but normally they charge us when we're buying supplies for our business services, right? So like if we're buying paper or ink or anything like that, they usually charge us taxes. The state of Arizona charges us taxes. But if you have the resale certificate, you get a license number and you can share the license number with the organization you're going to go buy your items from for your business, and they will not charge you state taxes because you have your resale certificate. Okay. Now, let's say you are, as an example, right? Let's say you are a store or you are a restaurant, okay? Now, at that point, you do need your TPT license because you are charging taxes for the items you're selling. So, like if you're selling a bowl of, chicken soup or anything like that, you are going to be charging taxes to the person that's purchasing your items. Or if that's a restaurant or a store, a clothing store, they're going to charge you taxes, right? So you always want to make sure that you have these things in place once you have started your business, okay? Now, the next one I'm going to say is making sure that you have your LLC in place if it's a right fit for you, right? It's an extra protection for your business, and it's really a flow through entity for your business. And one of the biggest benefits of that is that it's another layer of protection for your business. Okay. Now, the next one I'm going to say is, does it make sense for you to have an entity classification election? Like an S corporation, you would need to check the requirements to make sure that that would be the right fit for you. It's always beneficial to make sure that it is a right fit for you. If it's not, then I would say don't elect to go through a S corporation. You can always stay as an LLC, and then you would have to do a Schedule C on your taxes. But one of the biggest benefits of being an S corporation is that you're saving 50% or even more from self-employment tax, or even actually you're not even charged taxes on an S corporation. But what it does is it passes through the profit to the owner of the corporation, which is like for myself, if I'm a single member of the LLC and I decide to go through an S corporation, well, I won't end up paying taxes on my corporation, but I will pay individual taxes on my taxes, and that could save me up to 50% of self-employment taxes. Okay. Now, the next one I'm going to say are a few of the deductions that you might not know about or are not aware. Okay. Now, number one of the deductions that you could take is if you just started your business, you could take a startup cost deduction. You can also take an organizational expense deduction, meaning that, it took certain things for you to get organized as a business, right? And then the next one would be your home office, okay? Making sure that you are taking all of the deductions that are applicable for you. I know for me in the past, I used to think that the IRS was out to get us, but the reality is that they give us a lot of different things as business owners to be able to um, make sure we're using as deductions in our business so that we don't end up paying more taxes, right? So that's one. The next one would be your 20% deduction of your potential profit, which is your qualified business income. And that would be a deduction from your income. So let's say that I had a profit of $5,000 in my business this year, and I wanted the deduction of the 20% deduction. Well, they would take off $1,000 and I would only have to pay taxes on $4,000 instead of the whole $5,000. Okay. All right, guys. The next one I was going to mention is that, you know, being a single member LLC, it's always a great benefit. It puts you're able to put yourself on payroll, okay? And payroll is one of the biggest things that people think that it's a huge expense or anything like that, but it's important that if you're a single member LLC, that you put yourself in payroll. One of the biggest reasons, or one of the biggest things I hear from my clients, is that the reason why they want to do that is because they'll receive a W 2 at the end of the year from being on payroll, right? If you're taking a distribution from your business, then that would be considered a whole different, ball game. On a payroll basis, you would be deducted your taxes and everything like that. And the key point of that is that, let's say you wanted to purchase a home while you're a brand new business owner, right? And you've been paying yourself a salary or payroll on a monthly basis or every 2 weeks. And at the end of the year, you receive a W 2. Well, you can take that W 2 and be able to have no problems in purchasing a home because you're showing income, right? So that's one of the biggest things that you want to be thinking about. I wanted to share this strategic plan with you guys because I think that this is really, really important. I've had so many clients this year just coming to me asking them, to take care of things after the fact. And a lot of times it's so important, like myself as a tax preparer, a bookkeeper, and a coach, I want to make sure that you are ready for, the end of the year. It's already going, we're in the middle of October already, a little bit past the middle of October, and we're getting ready to finish the year. And we need to finish the year strong and make sure that we have everything we need in position so that when we start the new year, we're ready to go and hit the ground running and not have anything or any obstacles stop us in the way. So guys, I hope this video helped. If you need any assistance or any help, with a strategic plan, please make sure to click the link below, subscribe to our channel, and I will see you guys next week. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of the week, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.